Hey, it's the BMX Kid, aka Dakota, and this is my bike check. It's the Brian Foster 1, the FIP. Like, it got stolen a couple weeks ago. That's why it's this color. It's originally blue. It took off some of the stickers and everything, but same bike. It has a chromoly top tube, down tube, C tube frame. It has drilled gyro tabs.
Yeah, shishy.
I got 2-piece bars. I'm thinking about getting 4-piece.
I want some too.
Yeah. It got some pretty nice rims. It has Fit Long Tech grips. Pretty sexy.
For sure, that's for sure.
It has chromoly 3-piece indented crakes with sealed bottom bracket. Also spray painted. So faggot wants to spray paint everything and steal stuff. 25 tooth Fit Key chromoly sprocket, 14mm sealed cassette hub with non-tooth driver, sealed front hub with 36H Revenge rims. Yeah, can't talk. Yeah, but they got spray painted too. They was black, but they're still black, but they spray painted them. As you can see, it's kind of dirty. Fit OEM 2.4 tires. Fit Lobo pivotal seat and Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Comes in about 26.7 pounds. Yeah, I took the brakes off because I'm not a dirt rider, or I don't know what people use brakes for, but that's why I don't have them. Yeah, I don't care. And that's the Brian Foster 1, 2016 edition. I forgot to mention that. But that's it. We're gonna try to hit some clips, even though we suck.
Okay, guys, it's Day Hops. Sissy.
Ka. Another car. Oh, you sandwich. Did he just run over your jacket? He ran over your jacket. So much walks. Oh, I'm supposed to be recording. Shall we?
What's up?
Detail.